Hey there, let me show you how you can use a whiteboard inside Nova. Open a project, add a session, and choose the whiteboard tool. To do that, add a session and click Choose Tool, and choose the whiteboard. Nova will automatically create a virtual whiteboard. Invite your team and collaborators by searching your team here or sharing this link. If you want to keep people accountable and automatically send reminders, you can add a start and due date so everyone knows when they can start. If you want to keep all your resources in one place, you can add a list here. If you want to work asynchronously, you can add steps. Go to the three dots menu and select Edit and add step-by-step instructions. Find templates, stickers, Kanban boards, tasks, timers, and more here. All features are free. And whenever you're done, you can highlight keynotes or add a conclusion here. This will help anyone in your team have a way to know which ideas and decisions were made. Now it's your turn. Add a whiteboard, invite your team and collaborators, and work together during a meeting asynchronously. Thanks for choosing Nova.